Video we're going to be infusing finger limes into vodka. We just add vodka at 40% alcohol to a bottle. You rip off the edge of a finger lime and then squeeze it to get all of this citrus caviar out, and then add that to the vodka. If you get any seeds in there, it's okay, they will just float to the top so you can pour them out later. I've put 9 finger limes into the vodka and I'll fill this all the way out to the top. I've left some space so that way I can shake it up and down to mix it. Now we just strain out the seeds from the top using a strainer, and then we can put the vodka back in without the seeds. Helps if you take the lid off. There we have it. Infused vodka with finger limes. Simple and easy to do. Doesn't cost you an arm and a leg, as long as you've got a finger lime tree, or you can get them cheap. And beautiful tasting vodka. This is a very strong lime infusion, so it's a very distinct sour taste. You may want to mix it when you pour your drink with some lemonade or some other sweet drink, or even maybe solo or lemon drink to balance it off the lime. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your drinks. Bye.